Meet Bob, a dedicated student who is determined to study well. His assignments and exams are near. He wants to do deep work, but is tired of setting the same repeated timers for study. He sometimes misses to set timers, which affects his studies. He cannot take regular breaks in between study. Does this happen with you? Don't worry. You can use the interval timer app, which will do it all for you and more with absolutely free of cost. It will help you to set repeated timer once like shown here, and then you can follow the routine of get ready, work, rest and cool down. It is a general purpose timer app that is simple and easy to use. It is suitable for all kinds of activities including study, different workouts like boxing, circuit training, hit training, tabata, general use like cooking and wherever you like. It works in the background also while using other apps or with your screen locked. Use digits of timer make it easy to see from afar. It is a highly customized app with different settings options to control volume, sound effect, vibration, etc. according to you. You will get notified with voice and sound feedback such as
Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Work.
the app currently supports 4 languages: English, Hindi, Chinese simplified, Spanish. It supports light theme as well as dark theme. It is a fully offline app, so it doesn't require internet to run. We store all your data safe locally, so no need to worry about your privacy. It will help you to focus on things that are important and get your work done. So why are you waiting for? Download Interval Timer app on Google Play Store now.